In simpler times, it was the sheer will of man using simple tools that turned the earth into a bountiful landscape of harvest golds and brilliant greens. But today, times aren't so simple. It takes more than just sheer will to manage and grow your business. Strength of will is still critical, but so is business acumen and the right equipment. And the right equipment is what New Idea specializes in and has since 1899, when school teacher Joseph Oppenheim had the clever idea of inventing a machine to handle the backbreaking task of spreading manure. Joseph Oppenheim's New Idea spreaders caught on quickly, an invention that perfectly suited the times, helping to bring the benefits of technology to the farming community. From this proud tradition comes the most significant development in manure spreaders since their invention nearly 100 years ago: the New Idea SideKick Side Delivery Spreaders. New Idea is still pushing the leading edge, using modern design and production techniques, along with stringent testing, to make sure each machine is the rugged performer you expect from a leader in the field. New Idea is proud to offer the 3200 series SideKick spreader. Its unique design powers through tough manure when other spreaders can't. It used to be that side delivery spreaders simply reduced trips across the field because of their wider spread. Less trips, yes, but their delivery system created a high-arching, inconsistent pattern that spread unevenly and was susceptible to wind and drift. Not anymore. With the introduction of the SideKick 3200 series side delivery spreaders, New Idea has once again revolutionized the waste handling industry. The SideKick spreading system uses a low, flat discharge, which means little or no drift and a consistent, even delivery across the full width of the pattern. The SideKick is built strong and smart. The steep sidewalls minimize sticking, and the dual augers prevent bridging. The low height, in combination with the steep sides, provides larger capacity than spreaders of similar size and height, and makes for easier loading access. The tank is constructed of copper-bearing Cor-10A steel. When exposed to air, the steel forms a protective coating, making the tanks virtually corrosion resistant. In fact, we're so confident of the tank's corrosion resistance that we have a 10-year rust-through warranty, further proof of New Idea's commitment to our customers. The one-piece welded frame construction and tank assembly give smooth and solid support for any load. No bolts to rust or shift. What you get is a solid, well-constructed, long-lasting machine that won't vibrate apart at the bolts. The SideKick's flotation tires are standard, giving you the advantage of hauling larger loads with reduced ground compaction. And the SideKick's design complements the flotation tires to give you excellent ground clearance, much better than standard tires, making it easy to clear obstructions that could cause damage to competitive spreaders. These flotation tires also offer the advantage of allowing earlier operation in soft, spongy ground. These features alone indicate an innovative design approach worth noting, but the truly innovative nature of the SideKick is perhaps most clearly seen through its mechanical systems. Its combination of drive chains, double reduction planetary gear cases, dual augers, and vertical twin expellers make the SideKick unmatched in features, advantages, and benefits. A sturdy roller chain drive is standard on all 3200 series SideKick spreaders. Model 3214 comes standard with a single chain, while models 3222 and 3229 come standard with double roller chains. The double reduction planetary gear case offers a multitude of benefits. The system provides the conveyor augers with high torque, significantly higher than chain or hydraulic drive systems, so you can spread the heaviest loads of pen pack, frozen, or dry feedlot manure. And if the load freezes, this built-in power will break the icy grip. No one likes having to thaw a frozen spreader. The system's efficient power transfer requires less horsepower, allowing the SideKick to be operated with smaller tractors than competitive spreader models. The slow auger speed of 15 RPMs ensures consistent manure movement in the tank under all conditions. And finally, the Planetary Drive provides higher reliability than other systems. This, along with shear bolt protection, means the SideKick will be a machine you can count on for years to come. The SideKick design starts with a large 22-inch diameter fixed dual augers. This sturdy base design with stationary augers eliminates bridging, one of the biggest knocks on side discharge spreaders. Being fixed simplifies the material movement mechanism, reducing stress and improving durability. The dual augers also improve feeding by moving the material from the front and rear of the spreader to the discharge area. The auger paddles assist in shredding the material while moving material to the discharge, creating a smooth material flow. The hydraulically controlled discharge gate offers easy from-the-cab total application control. The gate rod indicator offers an easy reference of gate position. Twin vertical expellers, unique to this industry, turn at a robust 860 RPMs, giving a flat horizontal spread pattern of even coverage over the entire spread width. These expellers further shred the material, minimizing clumps. Should an expeller freeze up or become jammed by a foreign object, the slip clutch prevents the expellers and expeller drives from being damaged, and the expeller paddles are replaceable, another assurance of long life for the spreader. Just another example of how the SideKick works to keep performance up and costs down. This diagram shows the spread pattern of the SideKick when compared to competitive models. The difference in discharge patterns is dramatic. And while even predictable coverage is certainly desirable for the fertilization purpose, it's quickly becoming a necessity in these days of environmental sensitivity. And the low discharge angle reduces drift so that the material goes only where you want it. Because quality assurance is part of the whole new idea production process, these machines perform flawlessly. Even so, each SideKick is inspected and operated before the final quality check as they come off the production line. This dedication to quality allows New Idea to provide one of the best and most aggressive warranties in the industry. SideKick 3200 series spreaders are backed by a 3-year top-to-bottom warranty. Add to that the 10-year warranty on spreader tank, and you've got the best-built, best-backed spreader money can buy. The SideKick was designed with your needs in mind, and the standard features show off its rugged quality and performance characteristics. Optional equipment is also available so you can customize your SideKick spreader for special situations, such as a transport lighting package to enhance visibility for safe transport from dawn to dusk. Front and rear tank extensions to guard against splash are available for all SideKick models. Recap tires are an option on SideKick models 3214 and 3222. A 1000 RPM PTO with a 1 3/8 inch 21 spline yoke. A 1 3/4 inch 20 spline yoke is available separately for high horsepower tractors on models 3222 and 3229. A hydraulic lid with left or right hand opening is offered for the model 3222 and 3229, so it's convenient to handle slurry or hard pack with a minimum of fuss. And truck mount versions are available for SideKick models 3222 and 3229. Truck mounts make hauling over longer distances safer, faster, and more comfortable. The simple tools of early farming may be gone, but the pleasure of using a well-made tool is something that lasts, even in a task as mundane as spreading manure. This product is just that, the end result of innovative design and dedicated production. The New Idea SideKick side discharge spreader is the one spreader that can meet your manure spreading requirements. It performs effectively with almost any type of manure, meaning you'll no longer need a tank spreader to handle semi-liquid and a box spreader to handle pin-pack manure. Let's recap what makes the SideKick the last word in waste handling. The steep, low sidewalls prevent manure from sticking while allowing easy access. The copper-bearing, self-healing steel sides of the SideKick are corrosion-resistant, ensuring long tank life. Dual augers provide better material movement and shredding. Because the 22-inch augers are located next to each other, they form a wide tank bottom, preventing bridging. The planetary drive systems provide greater torque, eliminating problems with frozen manure and allowing operation by lower horsepower tractors. And finally, unique vertical twin expellers shred and expel manure for an even application of manure nutrients across the entire spread width, meeting environmental challenges. New Idea wants to be sure the SideKick meets tomorrow's needs as well as today's. New Idea warrants the original purchase of the New Idea SideKick Series 3200 spreader for 3 years against defects in material and workmanship. This industry-leading warranty covers parts and labor on all parts except normal wear items. The tank is warranted for a full 10 years against rust-through resulting from normal operation. As a farmer and business person, we understand your concern with making the right purchasing decision. That's why we're dedicated to building the best spreaders in the industry, backed by the best warranty in the industry. We at AGCO are proud to offer the New Idea SideKick family of spreaders, knowing they're backed by the fine workmanship and design that have been a New Idea tradition for nearly 100 years.